Happy morning, students. Today we are going to see compliance. What is compliance? It is the extent to which the lung is expanding for a unit increase in the transpulmonary pressure. Now, what is transpulmonary pressure? Transpulmonary pressure is the difference between pleural pressure and pulmonary pressure. So, pulmonary pressure is also called as alveolar pressure. Alveolar pressure is given by the formula alveolar pressure minus pleural pressure. Okay, so more the pleural pressure is becoming negative, the more will be the transpulmonary pressure. So if this parameter is going to decrease, automatically the difference will increase. Okay, so a change in intrapleural pressure is going to affect the transpulmonary pressure. So for so what is compliance? Compliance is the extent to which the lung expands, that is change in the volume, for a unit increase in the transpulmonary pressure, that is change in the pressure. So compliance is given by the formula delta V by delta P. So change in the volume by change in the pressure. Here the pressure refers to the transpulmonary pressure. This transpulmonary pressure is the measure of the elastic forces in the lung. So the transpulmonary pressure decides the expansion of the lung, and it is a measure of the elastic forces of the lung. So what is the normal value of compliance is of both the lungs? Both the lungs, it is 200 ml per centimeter of water. So 200 ml is the change in the volume, and for 1 centimeter of water increase in the transpulmonary pressure, the volume change in the lung is 200 ml. So the volume of the lung increases by 200 ml. This is the value for compliance of both the lungs. So both the lungs. And this compliance in turn is determined by the elastic forces. So we have two elastic forces in the lung. So one elastic force is the tissue elastic force. Tissue elastic force. The other elastic force is due to the surface tension. Surface tension. So among these two forces, the force exerted by the elastic force exerted by the surface tension is high compared to the tissue elastic forces. So in a nutshell, compliance is the change in the volume per unit change in the transpulmonary pressure, and it is a measure of the elasticity of the lung, and it is defined as the extent to which the lung expands for a unit increase in the transpulmonary pressure. Thank you.